This is Justin Manuco,
This is Carl Mollies.
and we are here to serve you the latest news nationwide. This is the Black
News.
145 suspects arrested in Goliath Lake. According to Senior Superintendent Guillermo Alezar, the head of the QCPD, they were able to arrest a total of 145 suspects in separate operations at Barangay Goliath last Friday. Richard Bersaida, a suspected member of the Abu Sayyaf group, continued to use his house as a drug den. He was arrested along with 53 others in police raid conducted at around 9:30 p.m. last Friday. Police recovered from the suspect 23 sachets that contained methamphetamine, hydrochloride, or shabu, and various drug paraphernalia. And for more details and information, here's Carl.
In an earlier raid at the same community, suspected Abu Sayyaf member Juraid Saidun and alleged drug lord Hajirul Abraham were arrested after his house was found to be used as drug dens. As this developed, the unknown assailants gunned down in broad daylight a man named Jason Perez, who turned himself in the Oplan Tokhang last month. Perez died because of the sustained gunshot wound in his temple. It happened in front of his house, along Hercules Street in Barangay San Agustin, Novaliches, Quezon City. Perez was currently talking with his friends when this happened, and then at 9:30 a.m., four men wearing masks aboard two motorcycles parked near the crime scene. Perez was declared dead on arrival in Novaliches District Hospital.
This is our news for today.
This is Carl Mollies.
This is Justin Manuco. Goodbye and thank you.